Welcome to the YouTube viewers. All the four sessions on Jaichamarajendra Vadiyar's 94 Kutis workshop has been done in four sessions till this day. Today it is going to be the fifth very important session. Out of 94 Krutis, the Jaichamarajendra Vadiyar has composed 11 Krutis on Ganesha, 15 on Shiva, 2 on Saraswati, 5 on Lakshmi, 4 on Vishnu. Like that, the rest out of 94, 30 are on Deva. The rest of it, that is 64 compositions, are on Lalita Mahatripura Sundari, Shri Chakreshwari, Shri Rajarajeshwari, Shri Chamundeshwari, and Chikamakshi, like that, all on Devis, Lakshmi, Saraswati, including 30 is on Devas, 64 because he is a Sri Vidya Upasaka. Today, in this special session, why I am telling this is a special session is, out of 94, as I have already mentioned, 30 are on Deva. Remaining 64. Out of 64, all the 64 are on Devi. Among 64, I have culled out 9 out of 64. It's my own imagination, creation. Why I am emphasizing it? Jaichamarajendra Vadiyar has not said anyway that it is a Jaichamarajendra Vadiyar's Namavarana. But while I was guiding for the special guide as a PhD, for PhD guide, I have to study all the 94 Krutis in detail. All are on 90. All the 94 are in Sanskrit. And they are, all the 94 have taken the help of Sahitya, has taken the help of Lalita Sahasranama, Lalita Trishyati, Devi Kadgamala, Kanakadara, Mantramalika Pushpa, Shivamanasa Puja, Saundarya Lahari, Shivananda Lahari, Ganapati Atharva Shishya, Vishnu Sahasranama, like that. Vadiyar has used all these things very freely, appropriately, while composing these Krutis. These are all Sri Vidya limbs, Sri Vidya aspects. That is why, while I have done so many Muthuswami Dikshita's Kamalama Namavarana, attributing very fine contributions, very fine arranged Sri Chakra of Muthuswami Dikshita's. Every avarana, everything, there is no match for Muthuswami Dikshita's Kamalama Namavarana and Sri Chakra. So, by getting inspiration, while studying Jaichamarajendra Vadiyar's 94 Krutis, a thought has occurred to me. Why not? I see, because Jaichamarajendra Vadiyar is a Sri Vidya Upasaka as Muthuswami Dikshita. That is why I felt exhaustively each word in Sahitya. I felt somehow, let us make a gamut, 9 out of them as a division, 9 divisions of Sri Chakra. In that regard, today, in this session and next session and most probably in 4 sessions, I wanted to read the Sahitya. Wherever I wanted to say something about it in this workshop type of program, I will say, and then I just play and sing, because how because so many new ragas. Jaichamarajendra Vadiyar was a pianist. He knows Western music very well. He is an expert. That is why nearly 30 ragas are derived from Deva Shankarabharana Janya, which are equivalent to Western music major melody scale. So as and when I feel whatever I wanted to share with you, I will do it. Now, in this session, the first Avarana Kriti, that is, this Avarana, the Shri Chakra has 9 divisions or 9 Avarana. The first one will be the Bhugraha. For that, I have chosen the Raga Nagadvani. Nagadvani is a very rare Raga. I have not seen. To my knowledge, there is no other composition in this Raga other than the Jaichamarajendra. So, in Nagadvani Raga is for the first Avarana, that's called, it has been attributed to Bhugraha, the first division, that is square. So, apart from that, I use the Kriti Sahitya. You can, while reading or while singing, you can please observe so many terminologies of Shri Chakra it comes. So, in that way also, it suits almost for that particular division. Not just that, I reiterate, Muthuswami Dikshita's Navavarna is super, no match. But here, our own creation and my imagination. Anyhow, in this way also, we can propitiate Shri Chakra through Jaichamarajendra composition, and it happens to be the centenary year of Jaichamarajendra. Okay? Now, the Nagadvani Kriti. That is, it starts, the Pallavi starts, Shri Lalita Maha Tripura Sundarim Bhajeham. Shri Lalita Maha Tripura Sundarim. That itself is a Dvadashakshari mantra of Shri Lalita Maha Tripura Sundarim. Kriti Pallavi starts, Shri Lalita Maha Tripura Sundarim Bhajeham Shri Raja Rajeshwari. His signature immediately comes Shri Vidyatmaka Bhuvaneshwari. This is the Pallavi part of Nagadvani Kriti. Next, Anupallavi part, Shri Chakrantargata Navavaranavatam Shankari. So, I have taken this cue for this first division of Bhugraha. In Anupallavi Sahitya starts itself, Shri Chakrantargata Navavaranavatam Shankari Shri Keshavadi Chatvarimshat Tattvan Nyasa Matrukeshwari. Next comes Madhyamukala Sahitya. Shri Bijakshara Samupasita Maheshwari Shri Karim Ekanta Manu Layakari. He has freely used Lalita Sahasranama, Lalita Trishati Namas. It naturally comes. Even Muthuswami Dikshita has also done the same thing while composing Amanamana Vamana. So also he has followed Muthuswami Dikshita. Jaichamarajendra has followed because he is also Sri Vidya Upasaka. Next comes in the Charana, Manushchandra Kuberascha Lopamudraja Manmadha Agastya Ragni Surascha Indraskanda Shivastata Krodha Bhattara Kodevyaha Dvadashami Upasakaha. All the 12 major Upasakas, Sri Vidya Upasakas, remembering them, Jaichamarajendra in this Kriti, the Charana starts Durvasa Jarchita Gupta Yogini. The Gupta Yogini is also one of the Yogini in the Shri Chakra format. Durvasadyachita Gupta Yogini Durvadi Patra Pushparchana Toshini Purvarjita Punyapala Pradayini Purvadi Chaturamnaya Madhyavartini. Indirectly, he remembers Adi Shankaracharya. Purvadi Chaturamnaya. He has established 4 Pitas. So, Shankara Advaita philosophy is Wadayar has addicted in every latent bit both Advaita and also Shiva Advaita. So, Purvadi Chaturamnaya Madhyavartini Madhyamukala Sahitya Sharvani Shumba Nishumba Mahishasura Bhanjani Nagadvani Ragini. Name of the Raga comes in the end of this Sahitya, and also Mahishasura Adibandide. Jaichamarajendra Odayar's Adidevate, family Adidevi is Mysura Chamundeshwari. So Mahishapati. So these all come very naturally in the composition of Jaichamarajendra. Now, this Nagadvani is a very special raga. Let me just play the scale of Nagadvani. It's derived from 29th Shankarabharanajanya. Shankarabharanajanya. Very curvature, very carefully it should be handled, because generally there will be kritis, so many kritis. For example, if you take Todi, there are so many sancharas, so many compositions. Tyagaraja himself has composed 30 kritis, so many santis will come. Then for any musician to play or to sing, those sangatis will come to the rescue. Here, there is only one such composition, that is why it should be handled very carefully. For academic purposes, this is the scale, Nagadvani, and once again I play Shankarabharanajanya. Start with the Bhugraha, Vastavarana. Once again, I repeat, because these things we cannot gulp at one time. As and when we, many times we have to practice first, second, nth time should be practiced. Then only this type of ragas. Even with the grace of Lalita Mahatripura Sundari, only we can get such ragas. Anyhow, in a very humble manner, most humble way, I try to produce. समुपासित माहेश्वरी श्रीकरी एकांत मनोदयकरी समुपासित माहेश्वरी श्रीकरी एकांत मनोदयकरी सारी समगमप परिधनि सप निधनि समग सनिधनि पमग समग गम पनिधनि निसमग गम पमग सनिधनि पमग श्री ललिता महा त्रिपुर सुंदरी भजेहम श्री राजराजेश्वरी श्री विद्या मगभुवनेश्वरी श्री ललिता पूर्वार्जित पुण्य फल प्रदायिनी पूर्वादि चतुरानाय मध्यवर्तिनी शर्वाणि शुम्भनि शुम्भ महिषासुरादि पंचमी नागत्वनि रागिनी शर्वाणि शुम्भ निशुम्भ महिषासुरादि भञ्जनी नागध्वनि रागिनी श्रीललिता शर्वाणि श्रीललिता महा त्रिपुर सुंदरी भजेहम श्री राजराजेश्वरी श्री विद्या मगभुवनेश्वरी श्रीललिता 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 my humble presentation. Next in this session will be the second avarana, that is Shodashadala Padma, 16 lotus petals. For that I have chosen the Jayacharendra Vadiyar's Kritis. For the second division or second avarana, Shodashadala Padma, in the raga Devagandha. The Kriti Sri Rajarajeshwari Sada Bhajare. I will read the Sahitya because yesterday, having had seen my videos, some of them have suggested, sir, please read the Sahitya. That's why I am reading the Sahitya portion because it's these are all rare kritis, except this printed in my big book, this one, Dechamarajendra complete 94 contribution in the English. It has been uploaded. You will get it in Amazon.com, and as well as a paperback book with me only. Outside you won't get it because all the world viewers, so many from abroad, they have told where we can get this book. You can get these 5 books in Amazon in e-book format, but printed book which has been released by no less than a person, Maharani Rajamati Pramoda Devi Vadiyar, in the year 2016, on the birthday of Dechamarajendra Vadiyar, this book has been released. So this is for your kind information for the new viewers, where they can, because these things you don't get just like other kritis, compositions of Swami Dikshita Tyagaraja. It has been popularized. But this is a centenary year. This book for the particularly people who doesn't know Kannada or any other language, it has been printed in English, transliterated. That is why, once again, additional information in this regard. Now, coming to the Sri Chakra Avarana Kriti, Dechamarajendra Vadiyar and Sri Chakra. This is the session now. In the second Avarana being Shodashadala Padmahavarani shown, 16 lotus petals, the second Avarana of Sri Chakra Gamut. There are 16 lotus petals. Kriti Sri Rajarajeshwari Sada Bhajare Raga Devagandhari. Sri Rajarajeshwari Sada Bhajare Re Manasa. He addresses Manasa. Sri Lalita Mahatripura Sundari Kaumari. This is the Pallavi portion. Second, Anupallavi portion comes Kshiradi Sapta Sagaramrita Shri Chakra Puradeshwari. These words made me to take this kriti for this second division, second avarana of Shri Chakra. These words I have culled out, then I have made it Shri Chakra format and 9 division. For this, it has helped me, this Sahitya, Dechamarajendra in the Anupallavi, Kshiradi Sapta Sagaravrita Shri Chakra Puradishwari Kshityadi Shivanta Shatrimshat Tattva Rupini Haradyupasita Sri Vidya. Sri Vidya is a pen name. So somehow wherever it fits in, Dechamarajendra say he adds Sri Vidya more meaningfully and very systematically too. Haradyupasita Sri Vidya Swarupini. Here Devagandhari Santoshini Dakshayani. Another trait. Dechamarajendra speciality, just like Muthuswami Dikshitari, he has followed in every letter and spirit Swami Dikshitari. Wherever it is possible, wherever it is appropriate, he adds meaningfully name of the ragas. Here, Haradyupasita Shri Vidya Swarupini Devagandhari Santoshini Dakshayani. Again, you can just go on observing. So many namas of Lalita Sahasranama are woven in this Sahityas. Next, go to Charana portion. Parama Pavitra Yadupula Shekara Leelavatara Krishna Sahajana. See, indirectly he uses at least lot of, if I go on explaining for one session 2 hours, for one kriti I can explain. I have done this, but because to limit for this YouTube, because it won't take up more than 1 hour session. So I don't want to do Rasabhasa. Like for that, I have just limited myself and curtailed myself, my explanation, wherever it is necessary, because these are all new Krutis. So here, Parama Pavitra Yadukula Shekara Leela Avatara Krishna Sahajata. See, Lalita Sasnama, it comes Padmanabha Sahodari. So for that, it is equivalent, this Sahitya is Krishna Sahajata. Krishna and Padma, Vishnu, avatar. Like that, Krishna Sahajata. Next line. Padmaraga Vaidhurya Marakatadi Mahamani Vibhushitam. How he decorates Lalita Mahatripura Sundari, Sri Raja Rajeshwari, through this beautiful Sanskrit Sahitya, using all the hymns of Lalita Satarama Trishati. Wonderful. Now, Paramapavitra Yadukula Shekara Leelavatara Krishna Sahajata Padmaraga Vaidhurya Marakatadi Mahamani Vibhushitam Suravara Sampujita Komalatara Pada Pankaja Samshobhitam. Just like Archana he is doing with birds, beautiful birds. Lalita Archana is being done in this Devanantari Kriti. Next, Surabhi Kamadenu Kalparukshadi Deva Vaibhava Virajitam. See, Lalita Mahatripura Sundari's Vaddolaga, how it is decorated. He imagines, because he is Jachamradendra was a king, real king, 25th Dore. He knows what is Simhasana, what is palace, what is its Vaibhava, how his family god, and also Mysuru Adidevate, Chamundeshwari Mahamati. So, imagining all these things, these compositions have emerged. Surabhi Kamadenu Kalparukshadi Deva Vaibhava Virajitam Padmakara Mahapita Shobhitam Achintya Ananta Sugunabharitam. See, hyperbole has used so many Utpreksha Alankara. For whom other than Mother Nature? We are all less mortals. Only that Mahatai, she should be Bhakti Priya, Bhakti Gamya, Bhakti Vashya, Bhaha, Shambhavi, Sharadaradhya, Sharvani. Like that, all these things, it has come to what is mind while composing these things. So, Surabhi Kamadenu Kalpa Vrikshadi Madhyamakar Sahitya Deva Vaibhava Virajita Padmakara Mahapita Shobhitam Achintya. That's one of very big Sahitya is here. Let me try to play. Very difficult. I don't know how. Only with lot of bhakti. I am not playing all these kritis for tala. Only for bhava bhakti. That's all. Of course, Devanantari is very popular raga. Other than Jachamra, there is the Chirasagar Shayana, like that. Tyagaraja has composed, popularized. It's not a new raga, of course, but it's one of the rare raga to be handled very carefully. Again, this is also a Shankaravarana. As I have already told, out of 94, 30 are on Dina Shankaravarana Janyam. If you go very deeply, this will go to army. See, these are all very difficult to touch this type of ragas. You have to practice. Just how this Jajamananodev has chosen this type of ragas for his composition to show that in this type of workshop I am just demonstrating. I have already read the Sahitya. Now try to sing. Really, it is a trial, that's all. She स्वरूपिणीं देवगान्धारी सन्तोषिणीं दाक्षायिणीं हरद्युपासित श्रीविद्या स्वरूपिणीं देवगान्धारी सन्तोषिणीं दाक्षायिणीं श्रीराजराजेश्वरीं सदा भजरे मानस श्रीललितां माया त्रिपुरसुन्दरीं कौमारी श्रीराजराजेश्वरी परम पवित्र यदुकुलशेखर परम पवित्र यदुकुलशेखर लीलावतार कृष्ण सहजात परम पवित्र यदुकुलशेखर लीलावतार कृष्ण सहजातं पद्मराग वैडूर्य मरकतादि महामणि विभूषितां सुरवर सम्पूजित कोमलतर पाद पंकजं पवन सुरवर सम्पूजित कोमलतर पाद पंकज संशोभित सुरभिकामधेनु कल्पवृक्षादि देववैभव विराजिता सुरभिकामधेनु कल्पवृक्षादि देववैभव विराजिता पद्माकार महावीरशोभितम् अचिन्त्य अनन्त सुगुणभरिता श्रीराजराजेश्वरी सदा भजरे मानस श्रीललिता महात्रिपुर सुन्दरी कौमारी श्रीललिता Now, in this section, I conclude the third avarana, that is Ashtagala Padma. The third avarana, this will be in the raga Bhuvana Gandhari. Here, this is the third avarana, Ashtagala Padma. 8 lotus petals. After 16th lotus petal, the third avarana is 8 lotus petals. For this, the Chamarapindra's composition is in the raga Bhuvana Gandhari. Beautiful raga, very rare raga. The only one or two I have seen. That one is one of Veena Venkatiriyappa, Jayachamratendra Veena Mysore Vasudevacharya for the vocal and other things, Sangita Shastra. But Veena Venkatiriyappa was Jayachamratendra Veena Guru. Incidentally, my Guru, Sri M. Chaluvaraya Swami, is the direct student of Veena Venkatiriyappa. So, Chaluvaraya Swami is my Guru as well as my maternal uncle, who knows Sri Vidya aspects very well, and he is also a great musicologist. So, I am blessed in this tradition also. That is one of my fortune. So, in this regard, the two kritis in the Bhuvana Gandhari, other than this, one is of Veena Venkatiriyappa, Lalita Ambe, Sri that is in Bhuvanagandhari. Another one is Miso Krishnayar's Paramatmuni. It is not that popular. I don't know, from Tamil Nadu and other places they may play, but Bhuvanagandhari is a very rare raga derived from 20th Natavairi Vijayam. So I will read the Sahitya. The speciality of this Sahitya you have to observe while dealing with Sahitya, I will let you know. It starts Pallavi. Bhuvaneshwari, Bhuvana Manohari, Bhuvana Gandhari, Tripura Sundari. Really first in the Pallavi Sahitya itself is Raga names comes Bhuvana Gandhari, Tripura Sundari. Again attributed to Lalita Maha Tripura Sundari. Anupallavi Sahitya. Bhuradi Loka Vyapini, Bhuvana Modini, Vishwa Vinodini. Then comes Madhyamakala Sahitya. Shiva Shakti, Shiva Kante, Shiva Kaye, Shiva Jaye, Shiva Ardhamurti. What a beautiful thing you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Shiva. Shiva has 5 phases. These things are all while composing. See, if I wanted to explain, it takes time. Okay, here Shiva Shakti, Shiva Kante, Shiva Kaye, Shiva Jaye, Shiva Ardhamurti. The 5 phases. There are many other meanings indicated if we go inside. So, to this, the Anupallavi Sahitya comes to an end. Next, Charana Sahitya goes like this. Mahadevadi Sampujite, Mahaganapati Guhesha, Ganapati, Mahaganapati Guhesha. See, wherever in the Sri Chakra or Sri Vidya aspect, Ganapati, Shiva, Parvati, Guha, they comes. Automatically, it's a family affair. Ishvara's family, Parvati's family, irrespective of all the kratis, these things freely comes. So here, Mahadevadi Sampujite, Mahaganapati Guhesha Sahite, Anahatadi. Here, Jayachandra, apart from the Shri Chakra, he refers in many krutis about Shat Chakra also. Because if the Shri Chakra is Brahmanda, Shat Chakra is Pindanda. So we have 2 sides of the same coin, that like Shiva Shakti. Here, Anahatadi Shat Kamalantastite Akandaika Rasaswada Bharite. No, you see the words here. Akachata Tapa Yashadi Varna Vaikari Prakashini Shive Shri Bale Anima Yashta Siddhi Shaktyatmaka Namavarana Srimadadi Vidye. These words made me to take for this third avarana, first Adana Padma. This Sahitya, see, it needs lot of explanation. Okay, here Namavarana Srimadadi Vidye Aka Chata Tapa Yashade Yi Kaka Gaganga Chacha Jajana Tata. Just for example, I am telling you. So, this is not just like a prosody he has not done. Aka Chata Tapa Yashadi Varna Vaikari Prakashini Shive Shri Bale Anima Dashta Siddhi Shakyatmaka Anima Mahima Garima Lagima Prapti Prakamya Ishitva Vashitva. All these things it has come to the mind of Jayachandra while composing this. So Anima Dashta Siddhi Shakyatmaka Namavarana Srimadadi Vidya. Oh, this portion is just even to read this Sahitya is very difficult. No. The last 3 lines of this Krati, Makha Dhamsakari. See here, the Tilana type Jatiswara and Swarakshara comes in the last 3 lines. Very difficult because why? At times I thought, why this type of Sahitya has made very difficult. Yes, to reach Lalita Mahatripura Sundari is not that easy. You have to struggle, hard work, dedication, devotion. These are all needed. So we have to be careful while reciting, reciting the Nama of Lalita and all those things. For that, he has not, for the popularity, Jayachandra has not composed these things. What has come to his mind while doing everyday rituals. So this has come naturally to him with lot of devotion. So here, Makadhamsakari, Rima Gari Sarima, Gari Sarima, Tajum Takita. These are all embedded in this Sahitya portion. See, Makadhamsakari, Gari Sarima, Swar Sahitya, and Tilanate, Jatis, Tajum Takita. Though he has not composed Tirana, but here he has added Tajum Takita, Murahara, Pamamaga Takita, Manoranjaka, Rimagasa, Tadinita, Lalita Ambike, Sanidapa, Tadininaton, Dapa, Dimikita. Even to read this text, anyhow, with the grace of God, I don't think it will be very professional. Only I will try to sing, and wherever it is possible, I try to play to Gonagandhari. The scale is Natavai Vijanya. It comes, if you go on seeing, it comes near to Muthram Dikshita's Naga Gandhari, Saraswati Sudari. But this is not Naga Gandhari, Govana Gandhari, and also Jaunpuri and Saravati. Near to all these ragas, it comes. But the specialties, this is a Natavai Vijaya. All those mentioned, Jaunpuri and Saravati, another mentioned Naga Gandhari. They are all the derivatives of Natavai. So this Bhuvana Gandhari, Bhuvaneshwari, Bhuvana Manohare, Bhuvana Gandhari, Tripura Sundari, Bhuvaneshwari, Bhuvana Manohari, Bhuvana Gandhari, Tripura Sundari, Bhuvaneshwari, Bhuvana Manohari, Bhuradi Lokavyapini, Bhuradi Lokavyapini, Bhuvana Modini, Vishwavinodini, Bhuradi Lokavyapini, Bhuvana Modini, Vishwavinodini, Shiva Shakti, Shiva Kante, Shiva Kaya, Shiva Jaya, Shiva Tamurte, Shiva Shakti, Shiva Kante, Shiva Kaya, Shiva Jaya, Shiva Tamurte, Bhuvaneshwari, Bhuvana Manohari, Bhuvana Gandhari, Tripura Sundari, Bhuvaneshwari, Mahadevadi Sampujite, Mahadevadi Sampujite, Mahadaganapati Puhe यशादिवर्णवैकरि प्रकाशिनी शिवे श्रीबाले अणिमध्यष्टसिद्धिशक्त्यात्मक नवावरण श्रीमदादिवेद्ये आगचटतव यशादिवर्णवैकरि प्रकाशिनी शिवे श्रीबाले अणिमध्यष्टसिद्धिशक्त्यात्मक नवावरण श्रीमदादिवेद्ये मकध्वंसकरी हरिसरिम तजुं तगिल मुरहर पमदग तगिल मनोरंजक विमगस तजिमित ललितांबिके सनिदप तजिगिन त्वं तप दिविगिट मकध्वंसकरी हरिसरिम तजुं तगिल मुरहर पमदग तगिल मनोरंजक विमगस तदिमित ललितांबिके सनिदप तदिगिन त्वं तप भुवनेश्वरी भुवन मनोहरी भुवनगानहरी त्रिपुरे सुंदरी भुवनेश्वरी भुवनेश्वरी भुवन मनोहरी भुवन मनोहरी. So, three avaranas of Jayachamarajan's, that is Ugraha, Shodash Dalapadma, Ashtad Dalapadma. Three in this session, three avaranas with three pratis, Nagadvani, Devagandhari and Bhuvana-Gandhari. So I conclude this session with the three avaranas. Next session will be continuing the other avaranas, remaining 6 avaranas. For this I will just give respect and devotion to Lalita Mahatripura Sundari and to all the viewers. Thank you very much.